In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to kern in Affinity Designer. Kerning is the process of fine-tuning the space between individual letters to make your text look balanced and professional. Even great fonts sometimes need a little nudge, especially in headlines or logos where spacing inconsistencies are most noticeable. Today, I'll show you exactly where to find the kerning controls in Affinity Designer and how to use them with confidence. Start by opening Affinity Designer on your computer. Load the document you're working on, or switch to any project that already contains text. We'll be adjusting spacing on existing characters, so make sure you can clearly see the word or headline you want to refine. It helps to zoom in a bit so small changes are easier to judge. Next, click on your text. Place your text cursor inside the word you want to adjust, and then position it between the exact pair of letters that looks a little too tight or too loose. Kerning works between two characters, so putting the cursor in the gap you want to fix gives you precise control. Now go to the top of the screen and click the Window tab in the menu bar. From there, choose Text and then click Character. This opens the Character panel if it isn't already visible. The Character panel is where all your fine typographic controls live, and it's the best place to make precise adjustments that go beyond simple font size and style. Inside the Character panel, look for the section labeled Position and Transform. Here you'll find the kerning control. If you see a value of 0 or something marked as automatic, that's the default spacing the font provides. To refine it, enter a small negative value to tighten the space between the two letters, or a small positive value to open it up. Work in small increments and keep your eye on the overall rhythm of the word, not just the single pair. If the change feels too strong, simply nudge the value back towards 0 until it looks natural. A couple of quick tips while you adjust. Evaluate your kerning at the size the text will actually be used, because spacing that looks perfect when zoomed in can feel different at 100%. Also, focus on common problem pairs like A and V, T and O, or W and A, and aim for even visual spacing rather than strictly equal numeric values. When you're satisfied, your text should read smoothly, with no letters calling unwanted attention to themselves. And that's it. Open Affinity Designer, click your text, go to Window, Text, Character, and use Position and Transform to dial in clean, professional kerning.